What the fuck? It's ran over a damn flip-flop, bro. What's going on, YouTube? Where are you going?
Going to a car wash. Where are you going?
I'm recording. I'm doing a Q&A.
Oh.
What?
Looks good.
Dude, it's kind of dirty. I need to clean it.
No problem, right next to
Woohoo! Alright, I'll see you, bro. That's funny, bro. My buddy from work. Yeah, he has a clean Q60. It's a hard Infinity though. Alright, this is I'm gonna start a video good for you guys. Woohoo! Alright. Yeah, so we're doing a Q&A today. And I can't go on my phone with these gloves, so what I did actually is, here, I'll show you. I made your guys' questions my lock screen, so that's some dedication right there, baby. Let's see what the first one was. From Colin, what helmet do you use when riding? And love the content. Much love, bro. Thanks for the question. So I use a AGV K1 helmet. I think it was like $250. I think I got it from Revzilla, bro. But yeah, it's a really nice helmet, bro. I'd definitely recommend AGV, bro. They're really solid. The padding's great. It fits good. And I'm rocking the silver visor on it. It looks hard. Let me see what the next one was. The next one from Killa First or something like that. How long have you been riding for? And is your brother planning on getting a 600? Alright, so I've been riding for, let me tuck this in. So I've been riding for, alright, so I've been riding dirt bikes and four-wheelers since I was a kid, pretty much. And I've been riding on the street now for, this is my second year. So in those 2 years I've had a Ninja 400 and the 600 now. Well, actually two 600s because I crashed the other one, unfortunately, but. So yeah, I've been riding for, overall though, I've been riding for, I don't even know, like, so in all, probably like 13 years, but only on the road for 2 years, so. And yeah, my brother does plan on getting a 600cc, bro. Actually, if he's done paying off his 400, maybe he could save up and get a used 600, so. Yes, he does want to get a 600. What was the second part? Yeah, you had another question. What's the next mod you're getting for your bike? Alright, so as you guys know, I've talked about it before. And the next mod I'd be getting would either be, I want to get headers. Those are like 950 bucks, which is expensive. Steering stabilizer, I really want one of those. That's like 750 bucks. And then, well, with those headers, I have to get it flashed with the headers because then the air to fuel ratio is going to be thrown off. So I'm probably going to get, if I had to guess, it'd probably be the headers, bro. The headers with the tune. Let's go left. I've never gone left before. Thank you for the support, bro. Let me get my phone out real quick. I could have memorized 7 questions, bro, but I ain't gonna lie, my memory's dog shit, so. Ooh, I like this road, bro. Can't go crazy because I got my phone in between my legs, bro. Oh, let's see the next question, though. There's a vibe in here, though, for real. Next question from Naga Hog Rider. Thanks for the support, dog. I miss her old babe. Me too. But then congratulations on R6 is back. Yes, sir. And yes, Yamaha or Suzuki. Psh, what kind of question is that, bruh? Come on, Yamaha all day. Yamaha all day. Yamaha for the win, baby. Yamaha is just so reliable, bro. Like, even when I rode dirt bikes and everything, I had a Yamaha TTR 125, so I've pretty much always been either with Honda. I've been a Honda or Yamaha guy. leaning towards the Yamaha side, so I like these roads. So yeah, Yamaha, thanks for the support. Next, Lil Mozzie, something like that. I got my license last month, and I was thinking of getting my first ride. Good shit. I mean, like a 600cc plus, but I'm kind of stuck between a ZX6R, RS660, and a CBR 600. Alright, so ZX6R and CBR 600 are in the same class, and the RS660 is at a completely different class. So, hang on. Alright, so RS660, if you don't know, it's a twin cylinder, not 4 cylinders like the ZX6R and CBR 600. Twin cylinder with 660 cc's. The ZX6R and the CBR 600, they have 600 cc's, but they have it's an inline 4. It has 4 cylinders. Well, the ZX6R it's a 636, so it has more than 600 cc's, but they're in the same class. But for your first ride, bro, if you haven't ridden, I'm not gonna lie, if you haven't ridden dirt bikes or anything in your life before, then I wouldn't go to ZX6R or CBR 600. I'll look for like a Aprilia RS660, an R7. Those two are in the same class. One of those two. Those are two really good like starter bikes, bro. Beautiful out today. So yeah, but if you've ridden dirt bikes and 4-wheelers and all, and oh damn, those bumps about threw me off my bike. But if you've ridden, like I said, if you've ridden dirt bikes and 4-wheelers before and you know how to use a clutch and all that, I would say go for probably a ZX6R, bro. They're really reliable and you get the best bang for your buck pretty much. They're really good bikes. I rode my buddies. Well, you know, we're stopped here. Let's see, the next question is Jacob White. How is the jump from a beginner bike to a 600cc super sport? Like, how does it feel the first time getting off at 300 and onto a 600? Shit. Whoa. Let me tell you, bro. Let me tell you about that. 300, and then this is let's look at the 600 power, bro. So yeah, that's what you give it a 600, bro. It's pretty fun. But nah, seriously, from a 300 to 600, bro, it's freaking crazy. When I jumped from my Ninja 400 to the freaking R6, bro, one of the highest seating positions, bro, I was like, damn, bro. I was like, damn, bro. The seating position was insane, bro. That's the main thing that I noticed. I'm like, bro, you're legit. I'm on a rocket ship, bro. Like, you just really gotta take it slow. Damn, Jit, what the fuck you doing, bruh? The hell? So yeah, bro, it's pretty much it's a totally different ball game for real. But like you say, you just gotta take it slow. Pretty much learn, get comfortable with your bike. Just pretty much get control of it, feel it out, and then you'll be a beast. Like me. No, I'm just playing, bro. But yeah, bro, it's a lot. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot of fun, bro. Like, once you have all this power, you just gotta be careful, bro, because it's a big step up. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I can't even imagine a liter bike, bro. That shit's crazy. And then an H2, like, that's crazy. I'm gonna get one day, but still. Yeah, that's pretty much that. You're not gonna forget your first time hopping on a 600 either. It's one of the best feelings. I wish I could go back, because I remember riding my brother's Ninja 400 just for like 30 minutes. We switched bikes, if you guys seen the video, and I hopped back on mine. I'm like, damn, bro, like the seating positions, the bars, you're just more, you know, leaned over. So it's just, like I said, different ball game. let's see, I think there's one more question. From oh, I can't see what your name is, sorry. Scully, something like that, I think. But it says, what's your question is, why is your quote, burn rubber, not your soul? So I saw that question, bro, and I'm not gonna lie, I try to think of a way to kind of like describe burn rubber, not your soul, and I can't really, bro. Like, it's hard to explain. Like, for me, I think it's kind of like, hey, let's go left. Oh, never mind, dead end. All right, 1 second. I'm gonna burn some rubber, not my soul, real quick. But yeah, so burn rubber, not your soul. Like, I kind of think of it as like, I don't know, it's so hard, bro, to put it in terms. Like, I just feel like sometimes this is kind of like therapy, bro. So like, go out and burn rubber, not your soul. Like, go do what makes you happy. Like, that's kind of what I think of it as. Hang on, this road looks fun. Let me check one more time. I think that was all the questions. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Thank you everyone that's been showing love to the channel. Yeah, I think that was all. So, and guys, give me like, if you ever have ideas or something, this thing always dying so fast, like, damn. But if you ever have ideas or something, bro, like, go ahead and give them to me. Like, comment down below. I'll try to take some advice. I'll try to change videos up, because I'm really trying to get a video to kind of blow up, hit the algo. I'm steady grinding, but nothing's hitting the algo. What's going on? We're still growing though, so like, much love. But like, I'm open to you guys' opinions and all that shit. So like, I thought about a drone and shit, but like, I want something that makes me stand out. You feel? You dig? Like, I want to stand out from the other motovloggers. So yeah, if you guys really want to show support, give me some ideas or something. Comment down below, let me know. I'll see what I can do. So I think that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. If you guys like it, comment down below. Give it a like, please. It helps the algo out. Watch it all the way through. Thanks if you watched it all the way through. Much love. Thank you for the support. Hey, hopefully I helped you guys out with some of your questions, and yeah, we can do part 2 Q&A. It's been real. Ride safe, guys. Over and out.
I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Fearless.